Flights were grounded and emergency services were hampered after a major IT outage spread across the Netherlands. The outage was a result of a malfunction in the IT system of the Dutch Ministry of Defense.
Die leed nu al 2 keer ondertussen. Eerst was het tot 12 uur uitgesteld en nu tot 1 uur is het al. Dus we weten niet effectief of het doorgaat of niet.
The highly secured network is used by emergency services, the Royal Marechaussee and the Ministry in The Hague. The outage also impacted Eindhoven Airport, which shares facilities with the Ministry of Defense. 20 flights were cancelled and others were redirected to Amsterdam and Brussels. The extent and the cause of the outage remains unclear, although there is reportedly no indication of malicious intent.
We wijzen daar niet op, maar uitsluiten kan ik op dit moment niet. Maar Defensie heeft niet de rode bal gehezen.
The Defense Ministry have since confirmed they were restarting its systems.